Have you ever heard a really good singer live? Somebody who's just a powerhouse. Their voice literally fills the entire room. You want to know how they do it? Hi, I'm Chase from Chaseandmelia, and today we're continuing a series we are calling Common Vocal Mistakes You're Probably Making. And one of these is something I'm really guilty of, swallowing my sound. Part of fixing this issue is understanding a term called resonance. Now, with the guitar, the strings do the vibrating, but the body is actually what does the resonating. The body amplifies the sound and gives you its overall character. With the voice, our bodies are made of muscles and tendons and organs and all kinds of things. We actually have a lot of different chambers where things can resonate. Now let's try something real quick. I'm gonna sing a low note, middle note, and a high note. Doesn't matter what notes. I'm gonna sing ah, ah, ah. I'm going to pay attention to where those feel like they're vibrating. I can feel that one kind of in my chest. That one's about here. That one almost feels like it's the back of my head. This is going to be different for every person. On this channel, we talk a lot about singing efficiently. That's what's most important to us. So ultimately, if your sound is vibrating in your chest, that means it's not vibrating the room. If your sound is vibrating in the back of your throat, it is not vibrating in the space. Sound needs to leave your body in order to fill the room and be efficient. Now, being a choir kid, I was always taught to have tall vowels. These vowels are really great. Big open vowels. They're really great for blending with other voices, but they're not very efficient. They don't want your voice to stick out. They want all the voices to blend together. As a solo singer, you want your voice to be more efficient. You want to be able to fill the room. How do we do that? You guessed it, vowels. Now I can sing aw a couple different ways. Choir aw, my tall aw. If I want to sing it efficiently, now one, is really big. You see my throat here? One is my throat's not so big. Here's a trick. Take your thumb, place it under your chin, and sing. Ie Ave Maria. Now if you feel something pushing down, that's your tongue, and you're probably swallowing your sound. When you sing, you want to have high space, not low space. This is a simple trick that you can do in practice to make sure you're not swallowing your sound. Let us know in the comments below where you feel your voice naturally resonates. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We make new videos every week. I'm Chase from Chaseandmelia. We'll see you soon.